Alright everyone guys, and I have a new video. Today I want to talk about one company, and in some cases it's very unique to this market, because if we're talking about financial market and the forex market, nowadays a lot of the broker companies everywhere, especially in Dubai. If you will go to the area called Business Bay, in every tower you will be able to find 2 or 3 broker companies. In some cases this is good. Why it's good? Because they are fighting for the better trading condition, tighter spreads, some like swap free promotion. They are giving you better regulation and some safety to your funds. But guys, even if you will have the best spreads in the world, the tighter spread, if you don't have the proper strategy and the knowledge how to trade, in the end you will lose, because this is the risky market and no need to forget about that. So that's why I want to visit one company called Zylostar. This is the first and only one company that has the license in UAE to give you education. They can really teach you how to trade in this market and how to become profitable in this area. So let's start this video, because I will show you a lot of interesting things. Let's go.
Why is it so important for you to learn how to trade? This is how it goes. And I'm not saying this just because I'm a business development manager at Zylostar. I'm saying this because of experience, and I've seen that a lot of people are focusing mainly on low spreads, on the brokers, and they're running for strategies and a lot of things. That's not the case. Remember one thing. There's $4 trillion generated in the market on a daily basis. How do you then participate in it? You need appropriate tools for you to be able to take this money out of the market. But now, how do you get the tools? On YouTube, in the streets? No. You need proper education. And the great thing about this whole thing is the fact that at Zylostar, this is the only accredited company that offers you a government accredited certificate after you finish the course. Don't you want to get this? Don't you want to apply for account management opportunities? You don't want to apply for trading opportunities in trading companies? Sure you do. That's going to give you extra income on the side. I've been trading for a long time. Alex has been developing bots for a very long time, but he still develops them. Why? Because the market is changing all the time, and you need to educate yourself at all times. This is very important. You need the advanced skill for you to be able to stay in line with the market. Do you also think that you'd read one book and then you'll make millions? It doesn't work like that. You need a lot of books, you need a lot of methods, you need a lot of strategies for you to be well educated and advanced, so that you can be in line with, because there's new books, same as computers. We have the i5, i3. Why do we have all these generations? Because things are evolving with years, same as trading in any other business. So stay in line, because if you are left behind, you'll put your money at risk, and you don't want to do that mistake for yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharma and I'm a technical analysis instructor at Zylostar Global Financial Education Institute. As we all know, 90 to 95% of traders which are entering into the market, they are losing their all capital. You know the reason? The reason is they are not learning. Now, you just tell me, if you will enter into any business without having a proper knowledge of that business, so how you are going to run that business? So first of all, it means if you're entering into any kind of business, you should learn about that business, right? So this is also kind of a freelancing thing for you. This is also kind of business for you. So if you're entering into the trading part, it means you need to learn first about this thing. So once you will learn, you will be in a much better position to start your trading, right? My company is unique because we are the only one who are focusing on the educating people, because out there in the market there are so many broker companies, but we are the only education license company in UAE. So that is why we are unique. We are focusing on how to make people educate. You can also Google Zylostar's name and you will find the first link for our website, which will take you to our website. And when you will drag down, you will find something unique, which is a KSDA government site, where you will find Zylostar and you will find all the training stuff which is needed for a training person.
I think mostly of you have the clearly understanding, yes, that I need to learn, but you don't understand exactly that you need to learn on the stable basis every time. It doesn't matter about your experience. We are not talking about new guys, When you are entering to the market, before the opening of an account with the broker company, you need to learn. Open account, learn, start trading, learn and learn. You need to continue to learn every time. So your journey in trading must to be like very tight, have some tight connection with the learning process. And as this one educational company, I don't want to show you a lot of things like history of the company, how they are doing, their goals, their programs. You can easily visit their website and check. I ask to give me some instructor and to show exactly some strategy, so you will be able to judge about the quality of the services. And of course, if you will like it, I'll leave the link of this company in description to this video. You can easily visit that one, and even they have the free trading course, so why not? If it's free one, so why not to choose? So let's go to the trainer and let's check what he will show to us.
Welcome to Zylostar. My name is Isaac, and on today's video I'm just going to show you a very simple strategy that you can utilize in the market. Let's look at the nature story of the market. That is basically how the market moves. All right, the market repeats itself because human beings repeat itself. So let's look at this structure right here. If I copy this bit of price action from here to here, put it here, from this level to this level, I put it here. I also copy this structure from here to here, bring it side by side, and the last structure from here to this level. So if we compare these four price action, we can see that there is like a similarity. So the market repeats itself, as I said, because human beings do repeat themselves, right? So we have the impulsive phase of the market, and then we have the correction phase of the market. The impulsive phase is basically where price moves impulsively. So we can see this leg, we have the impulsive structure, this is the correction phase, and then we have the impulse. So this is the impulse, this is the correction, this is the impulse. So impulse, correction, impulse. You can see that this is how the market is just repeating itself, right? So we need a unique strategy to capitalize from these structures, right? So here, if I cut this price action, right, and then I copy this price, let me copy from here to here. In trading, nobody knows the future of the market. I cannot tell you the market is going to go up, the market is going to go. Nobody knows tomorrow, right?
This is true.
Nobody knows that, but technically we are just analyzing the market to give us some expectations, looking forward to what price can do, or like it's a probability game, right? It's a 50% chance, but technical analysis is just putting us ahead, of what to expect from the market. So if I copy this price action, right? If I should put this here, and then I do this same thing that I was doing. This is the impulsive phase, this is the correction phase. Now what can we expect based on these four price actions? We have the impulse, correction, impulse, right? Impulse, correction, impulse. So looking at this structure, what do you think is missing? What we can expect here is an impulsive phase to complete the structure, right? So this is basically what we are looking at. We have various structures in the market. This is like the bearish flag, we have the bullish flag, we have so many patterns that we can focus in the market, just to capitalize from the market.
For your own opinion, better to trade like some trending impulse or to trade correction?
Okay, so basically we have to focus on the trend. All right, the trending, we have the impulse phase, the correction phase. The correction phase is where we have to stay away from the market, because for example, if the market is going down, right, we want to sell, right? On a downtrend, we have the momentum going to the downside. This is the impulsive phase. the correction phase is going to be the retracement or the pullback, right? So you don't want to be caught in the correction phase. This is the noisy part of the market, right? So here you just want to wait for the breakout. That is the impulsive phase. I guess you don't want to buy here. The market will just go up, come down, go up, come down, and just get you caught in this structure, right? You would rather prefer to sell here. The market will just move impulsively, right? So yeah, so during the pullback or during the retracement phase, that is the correction phase, you want to stay out from the market and wait for the breakout. And this is something that you can actually replicate in the market, but it takes a unique strategy, or it takes a unique approach to the market. This, as I showed you, it looks simple, it looks easy, but there is more to it.
I understand. So in your course, like, mostly you are teaching more details, because we know that it's also only the example. So if we are going deeper in this strategy, you need to explain what is the profit, what is the stop loss, what does it mean impulse, what we can see. There is the impulse, different time frame, sometimes it's small, sometimes it's big, correct? So in your course you are going deeper to this topic and explain them exactly what is the points of opening position, of closing profit, and take profits.
Exactly.
Okay, nice. I got your point. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you need some more details and more information about this trading strategy details, go to Zylostar and you will find this information there. And no need to expect that you can go to the YouTube, watch 20 minutes video and trade in the proper way here. Because Isaac, he's spending with the clients like 2-3 weeks to teach them one strategy. So it's not so simple as you might think. So learn how to trade, stay in this market for how long as it possible, and make money as maximum as it possible. See you in our next videos.